Hi everyone, so today's video is the first of the Oracle SQL injections, and this is my 6th video in a row now, so I'm buzzing, as you can probably tell by the really cheerful voice. So basically today should be a simple one. We're using the same category place as the last few videos. It's asking us to retrieve the database version. Oracle is obviously not the typical type of SQL injection. So what we need to do is definitely fire this on the repeater. I will show you where I've got these kind of examples from. So we all know previous videos, this is the injection point. So anywhere the query needs the database needs to be added to, basically once you've intercepted it, stick it in a repeater, you can have a mess around with it. So what it's asking us to do is select, because we are selecting stuff from the database. First off, we need to start with find out how many tables there is. So Oracle's slightly different than most SQL type stuff, SQL injection type stuff. It basically has different syntax, which is quite annoying, but I will show you this like this is a good cheat sheet. So what I'm first doing is trying to identify how. So this is actually from previous knowledge of how these Portswigger have been put together, because this is my 5th on the row, and I'll probably be skipping over things which I shouldn't, so less people who just watch one video, so I'll go through the command. So this basically breaks this SQL statement. We're kind of outside the tab, so now we can do our own SQL. We're not putting a value in, we're actually putting something outside the tab, outside the value section. So the union, which means and, we're doing something else. We're selecting 2 tables. From previous challenges we know there's been 2 columns, there's been 2 columns in each database. So if you can picture the SQL, I usually picture it in an Excel type table. So we're selecting A and B in an Excel columns. And from Joule means all databases. So it's just an Oracle thing. You don't really need to select, you just select Joule and it selects everything. And then this just basically ignores the rest of whatever was after this category, which is nothing in this case, but it's just how it kind of works. So this should pull back over 200 the first time. I've got it wrong so many times, it's been ridiculous. So that's right. So because we've got no error code come back, we know the SQL is running. And here we go. Make the SQL database retrieve. Oh, that's the hint up here. Right, okay, so what did we pull? So now we know there's 2 columns. I've actually dug this one out before. Here we go. So this resource, that's banner grabbing. So, Oracle Database, the Portswigger cheat sheet. This is honestly, for SQL injection, Portswigger cheat sheet is the best thing you go through. For simple SQL steps, obviously when it gets more complex, you kind of struggle. But for Oracle, we're selecting it from version. So we're selecting a banner. Banners are basically just banner grabbing is kind of what Nmap uses to gather what's running on a port or what's running on a database. Kind of grabs the headline things and grabs a bit of information about it. So in this case, because we want to retrieve the version, we're going to select the version. So we select version, this is the Joule, and we basically select the banner because we want to grab the banner. So this should pull the banner back. As far as I know, 200, so it's definitely pulling something back. And here we go, Oracle Database version. That's what we're going to pull back the SQL version. So now a second turn this off, we should have completed the challenge. There you go, we grab the SQL database version, or Oracle Database version, and we're done. I'll see you next one.